Hey, Patrick. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about birthdays today. Actually, about the words happy birthday and all the feelings around them.
That's such a random morning thought. Why birthdays?
I don't know. Maybe because someone at work has a birthday tomorrow, and I suddenly started thinking about my own birthday memories. Some good, some funny, some stressful.
Oh, wow. Yes. Birthdays can be a full emotional roller coaster. Happiness, surprise, excitement, and sometimes a little chaos.
Exactly. And I thought it could be a great topic for today, talking about birthdays in simple English.
I love that. Birthdays are something everyone knows, no matter where they're from. Plus, there's a lot of fun vocabulary and simple emotions we can talk about.
Yes, and lots of stories.
Before we jump in, let's introduce ourselves for anyone watching for the first time. Hi, everyone. My name is Shirley. I'm from the United States, and I love helping English learners by having slow, friendly conversations about real life topics. Today's topic is extra fun birthdays.
And I'm Patrick, also from the US. I love teaching English in a relaxed, natural way. No pressure, no stress, just real conversation between friends. And today we're talking about happy birthday, what it means, how we celebrate, and how we feel about birthdays.
Yep, birthdays are simple but also emotional and sometimes funny. So let's start. So, Patrick, are you a birthday person? You know, someone who loves celebrating?
Let me think. I like birthdays, but I don't always love big celebrations. I prefer something small.
Same. People always think I love big birthday parties because I'm friendly, but honestly, small is better for me.
Yes, big parties make me nervous. Too many eyes on me.
Same. I don't like everyone singing happy birthday at the same time and staring at me. It feels like I'm on stage.
Oh my gosh, yes. Everyone sings, you smile awkwardly, you don't know where to look.
And then they say, make a wish. And suddenly I'm stressed because I can't think of one fast enough.
That is so true. Do you remember your favorite childhood birthday?
Oh, yes. When I turned 8, my parents threw me a dinosaur themed party.
That already sounds adorable.
Everything was dinosaur themed plates, balloons, cake. Even the cups had tiny T Rex arms printed on them.
That's amazing.
And I had this big green dinosaur cake. When I saw it, I said, this is the best day of my life.
Kids really know how to appreciate simple things.
Yes, I didn't care about anything else. Just that cake and the tiny party hats that didn't fit my head.
I can picture that. What about you? Favorite childhood birthday?
Hmm. When I turned 10, my mom made me a homemade chocolate cake with strawberries on top. Nothing fancy, just simple and perfect.
Homemade birthday cakes are the best kind.
Yes. And I remember all my cousins came over and we played outside until the sun went down. It felt like such a warm, happy day.
That sounds sweet.
It was. And now when I think of birthdays, I always remember that feeling. Happy, warm, comfortable.
Birthdays as kids were exciting. Birthdays as adults are different.
Very different.
Sometimes I forget my own birthday until someone reminds me.
Honestly, same.
And as adults, we feel different emotions about getting older.
Yes. When I was young, birthdays made me feel excited. Now they make me feel thoughtful.
Thoughtful. That's a good word.
Yeah, I think about time, goals, life changes, not in a sad way, just reflective.
I get that. On my last birthday, I woke up and thought, okay, I'm older. Am I doing okay? Am I happy? What do I want this year?
See, birthdays make adults introspective.
Kids want presents, adults want peace.
Exactly.
What emotions do you usually feel on your birthday?
A mix. Happy, but also a little emotional. Grateful, but also a tiny bit overwhelmed
Overwhelmed by what?
by love. Like when people send kind messages, I get emotional. Even a simple happy birthday can make me tear up.
Aw, that's sweet. What about you? I feel grateful and maybe a little shy when people give me attention.
I think many people feel that way. For people learning English, it might be interesting to talk about simple American birthday traditions.
Great idea.
Okay, first, birthday cards. People in the US love giving cards.
Yes, cards are a big thing here. Sometimes the card is more meaningful than the gift.
True.
Then we have the classic birthday cake.
And candles. Don't forget the candles.
Right. You make a wish, blow them out, and hope it comes true.
And people sing happy birthday to you in a slightly awkward but loving way.
Slightly awkward is the perfect description.
Then there are presents, hugs, photos, and sometimes a group dinner.
Yes, a simple but warm tradition.
Okay, Patrick, tell me your funniest birthday memory.
Oh gosh, okay. A few years ago, my friends surprised me with a cake at a restaurant. They walked out singing loudly, very loudly.
Oh no, you hate attention.
Yes, I wanted to disappear. And then, this is the funny part, my friend accidentally blew out my birthday candles.
Oh
Yes, he leaned too close, laughed, and the candles went out. Everyone said, now he stole your wish.
no, that's hilarious and chaotic.
It was. I made him buy me ice cream afterward as emotional compensation.
Good, you deserved it.
Your turn. Funniest birthday story.
Okay, this is embarrassing. When I turned 16, my family took me to a restaurant. The waiter brought a cake and said, "Everyone clap for the birthday girl." And I stood up to bow like I was on stage.
Oh, no.
And I tripped on my own foot. I fell into my chair. The whole restaurant gasped.
That sounds like a movie scene.
It really happens. I laughed so hard I cried.
Honestly, that's iconic.
I'll never forget it.
What kind of birthday gifts do you like?
Thoughtful ones. Not expensive, just thoughtful. Like a handwritten note or something handmade.
Same. I like gifts with meaning.
But if someone brings chocolate, I'm happy.
Food is always a good gift.
How do you feel about surprise birthday parties?
Oh, no. No, no, no. I do not like surprises. My heart cannot take it.
I don't love big surprise parties either, but a small surprise, like a friend bringing cake, that's sweet.
Yes, small surprises are fine. Big surprises feel like a sudden test.
Yes, like everyone jumps out yelling, "Surprise!" And you're like, "Ah! I wasn't emotionally prepared for this."
Exactly.
Do you ever feel strange about getting older?
Sometimes, not in a sad way, just thoughtful. Like, wow, time is moving.
I know that feeling. Birthdays make you notice time.
Yes, but they also remind you to enjoy life.
True. Another year means another chance to grow, learn, love, laugh.
Beautifully said.
When you blow out candles, do you make the same wish every year?
Honestly, yes.
Really? What is it?
I smile softly, health and peace. Every year, I wish for health and peace.
Oh, that's lovely.
What about you?
I usually wish for happiness. Not big happiness, just small daily happiness.
That's even lovelier. You know, talking about birthdays like this, it makes me feel warm inside.
Me too. Birthdays aren't just about cake and candles. They're about life, memories, people we love, and little moments of joy.
Yes, even simple birthday wishes, happy birthday, carry so much meaning.
They say, I'm glad you exist. I'm happy you're here. I'm celebrating you.
That's powerful.
So to anyone listening, if your birthday is soon, happy birthday from us. If your birthday passed, happy late birthday. If your birthday is far away, we hope it's a good one when it comes.
And remember, birthdays are not about age. They're about appreciation.
Yes, be proud of your journey, celebrate your growth, and enjoy your cake.
Definitely enjoyed a cake.
Thanks for joining us today.
Take care, everyone.
See you next time.